Happiness is not getting what you want all the time. It's about loving what you have and being grateful for it. The strongest people are not always the people who win, but the people who don't give up when they lose. I don't regret the things I have done. I regret the things I didn't do when I had the chance. Get up today and say, this is going to be a great day. I'm excited about my future. Something good is going to happen to me. Sometimes we need someone to simply be there, not to fix anything or do anything in particular, but just to let us feel we are supported and cared for. Forget what hurt you, but never forget what it taught you. Stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. Anyone can love you when the sun is shining, but in the storms is where you know who truly cares about you. It's better to walk alone than with the crowd going in the wrong direction. Being positive doesn't mean ignoring the negative. Being positive